Hello everyone, and welcome to Rock Studios at Automation Fair. My name is Xin Mei Tan, and I'm the Business Manager for the Distributed I/O portfolio. I'm really excited to be here today, to be in the booth, to share our latest innovation, PointMax I/O. So we hope you were able to make it down here physically at Automation Fair with us in Chicago. But if you're viewing from home, please welcome you to jump into the chat of the live stream, say hi, share with us what you would like to know more about PointMax I/O, and if we have some time left at the end of this live stream, we'll be more than happy to address them. So joining me here today is our product manager for the PointMax I/O portfolio, Karthik Mahalingam. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Metan, and thanks for having me here. And it's a great show, and we are launching PointMax this year, and happy to be here.
Yeah. So, Karthik, I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy Automation Fair schedule to talk with me, share more about the Allen Bradley's new generation of remote I/O portfolio, PointMax I/O. So let's start with some context, right? Point I/O, or as some of you might know it, Bulletin 1734, it has been a trusted solution for more than 25 years out in the market. So it has a huge installed base worldwide. So can you share how that actually leads us to where we are today with our latest release, PointMax I/O, Bulletin 5034?
Absolutely, it's my pleasure. So Point I/O had a very good run for last 2 decades, and as the industry evolves, the machine needs to be faster, compact, efficient, and secured for the future. So for this, we need a new I/O system, and that's where the 5034 or PointMax comes into play. So PointMax offers the best-in-class performance to the market, best connectivity. It can deliver higher throughputs of data in a much faster time, and it is very simple to use. Absolutely, we have got all the feedbacks for the years, and it has been built on the trusted Point I/O family, and that's what we have now. And it's been a great thing to do to replace a Point I/O.
Yep. So you mentioned performance. That's a really significant word. So can you share more about what market-leading performance really means for our customers out there?
Yeah, sure. So when it comes to machines which has to operate with a shorter cycle time, so we need to have high-speed devices like sensors or actuators to be interfaced. If we can cut few seconds of it, means that the machine can deliver much faster throughputs. And also nowadays machine needs to be smarter. We need more data to be pulled to the higher order systems. So that's what PointMax actually does. Throwing a lot of data to the controller in the shortest time. What it means to the customer, they get the machine faster, and safer. That's a key point, because our improved safety time delivers much safer machines now, and that's by reducing the footprint of the machine and also power consumption or efficiency of the machine.
So that sounds really powerful. But with every new platform, right, users are typically afraid of having to relearn everything. So what's the user experience like for PointMax I/O, and what can users expect?
That's a great question. So what if I say we don't need to relearn this new I/O platform? Basically what I mean is, we are working with, PointMax I/O works with Studio 5000. It's a trusted software and very well-known software across the globe for automation. And now we are onboarding to 5000 series of I/O. What it means, all our I/O platforms are in one same data structure. So if you know one, you know how other things works, and you don't need any learning. What it means for customer, it's easy to integrate, easy to change between platforms to scale their operations and deliver results in much faster way. So meaning ROI is faster.
Fantastic. So let's talk about technology. So what are the available modules today, and what's the technology that's being used in this that's really groundbreaking?
So what if I say we are releasing 90% of the modules at one go?
Awesome.
Yeah, that's been an amazing thing. Like our team put together the efforts to release almost the most needed modules in I mean like a month ago, and it's shipping. All the variants are shipping, and not only us, our partners also releasing the modules this November, starting this November. For example, AMCI, Spectrum Controls, Helm Hardy, they are offering their own solution for whether it's a waste technology or sync modules, they are offering variety of solutions. But this is not what we have now, but what we have for next year and following years. We are going to complete the platform and going to offer much more solution for customer to make the integration faster, simpler, and efficient.
So it sounds like the PointMax IO platform has already a really good foundation and is building out its portfolio in a very good pace, right? So I heard that PointMax IO is also breaking a lot of like new ground, right? And it's first of many firsts, right? So can you share more about that? Like what are the first things that we've been involved here?
So what if I say IP address setting is a child's play? Using our phones, like tapping your payment cards. Simple, use your phone, tap the IP address onto the device, even without turning on the power. So that is the integration what we are bringing, and customer can simply tap the IP address and read the first-hand information from the modules and make it work in shortest time. The second thing is that we are also having recycled plastic as our primary plastic inside, meaning that it reduces the carbon footprint to a larger extent. So we are also taking care of the environment now.
So that's one of the many firsts that we're talking about here. So this is amazing, and I'm sure many customers will benefit from PointMax IO.
Yeah, definitely. Like for example, like if you are from industries of different scales and systems, whether you are in process industry or doing high-speed machines or any other integration, definitely PointMax will be the platform to go for. And we are truly happy that this product has created an it was very well received by the customers so far, and we had a lot of early adopters gave us a very good feedback. One of such feedback was a machine manufacturer called Campbell Vapors, are a true partner. They used our product inside the machine, and now the panel size has been reduced by 5 inches. So that's a great saving, and we say 30%, but based on the package and based on the BOM, it can be much more smaller.
And I think every such success story of adoption is a testament that we are actually on the right track to provide our customers the best value that they could have in a platform.
Yes, maybe I take a minute to thank all our customers who supported us in last 3 years to provide wonderful feedback for the product. They have been part of this development. Our distributors, our technical folks around the globe has supported us in developing this product. It's not like engineers developed. It's a joint development between everyone, the user, the creator, etc. Thanks everyone for that.
Yeah, good to hear that. And I think on the show floor, I think we actually have a good range of 5034 that's actually being shown even in actual machines out there. So if you're here physically with us in Chicago, please do check it out. And coming back to this, right? So while we are helping to enable our customers' successes, right? Where else can we get our people that are visitors and our viewers out there to learn more about PointMax IO? Where can they go?
Yeah, there are 3 options for them to look for. One is, of course, our grand show floor. We have PointMax everywhere. Please take a look if you are in Automation Fair. But also we have lab sessions, full in-depth hands-on training for the product. Even though we don't need, you expert at training, but we are showing off like all the features, the new features what we are adding. And the third one would be the tech sessions. We have aligned for a couple of presentations. We will share detail about the product. and we are happy to have you all for the session.
Awesome. So I think this has been a really insightful session. So thank you, Karthik, for being here to share more about this exciting PointMax IO platform. And to our viewers, do not forget to register for the sessions that Karthik mentioned, the tech sessions, the hands-on labs and automation fair if you get a chance to, and we will see you there for those who have registered. And to wrap off, I want to take a moment to thank all of you that's watching us here live and also tuning in. So we have added the link in the post, so you can learn more about PointMax IO through the link, and do not go too far. I think we have many more sessions, live streams that's going to be set up after this as well. So you'll be able to hear and listen more with everything that Automation Fair and Rockwell Automation has to offer. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.